Now we will solve together the biology question of paper 1, October 2017, checkpoint exam. Question number 1 in paper 1 say chloroplasts are found in plant cells but not in animal cells. Other structures are found in both plant and animal cells. A. Complete the table by putting ticks, correct and cross X in the correct column. Chloroplast has been done for you. If we have a look here, we're going to find the cell structure, and here we have the found in plant cell and this column found in the animal cell. If we go for number 1, the cell membrane, as we know, cell membrane only found in the cell membrane is found in both plant cell and animal cell. Correct. Cell wall only found in the plant cell but lack in the animal cell. Chloroplast found in the plant but it's lack in the animal. Cytoplasm found in both plant cell and animal cell. Nucleus also found in both plant and animal cell. The vacuole that is meant here is the central vacuole or the cell sap vacuole, which is only found in the plant cell but it's lack in the animal cell. If we go for question number 2, says explain why plants need chloroplast. What shall you say here? Of course, chloroplasts contain the chlorophyll pigment. You can say here the chloroplasts contain the chlorophyll pigment, okay, which is very essential for the production of the food. So you can say here the chloroplast contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a photosynthetic pigment that needed for capturing, absorbing, trapping the light energy. So it will absorb light, trap light, okay, in order to make photosynthesis. For photosynthesis. Okay. If we go for the second question, question number A in the paper, say that it's question number 8, page number 11. Say that plants absorb mineral salt from the soil. A. Cycle the cell that has or that the plant used to absorb the mineral salt. Surely the cell that the plant uses in order to absorb the mineral salt is the root hair cell, and this is the structure of the root hair cell. You took this in grade 7 in checkpoint science 1. After this, question number B, which other substance must plants absorb from the soil? In addition to the minerals, plants need, yes, plants need water. Plants need water. That's correct. If we go for question or point number C, says that 3 identical plants A, B, C are grown in different conditions. Here, plant A grown in ideal conditions. As we see here, it's proper growth and the fruits are well ripened. And here, plant B, plant grown in identical conditions, same as to A, but without the magnesium. If you look here for plant C, plants grown in identical conditions to A, but without phosphate. Okay. Here we can see that in plant C, the root is not the same as in plant A and B, and in plant B here, the leaves, okay, are not normal such like plant A. So, question number C, I, says describe the effects of phosphate on plant growth. Okay, it's out of 1 mark. We can say here the plant, the lack of phosphate, which is plant number C, show a root, okay, a root growth, or the effect of the phosphate on the plant growth, it play a role in the growth of the root. So we can say here it has a role in the, yes, has a role in the growth of the root. Okay, in the growth of the root. Okay, if you proceed for explain how you can tell from the diagram. If we look here in the diagram, it's very clear that plant A show a plant B as well show a proper growth of the root, but plant C, that lack of phosphate, show a poor growth of the root. That's why. So we can say that plant A and C, the explanation, we can say plants A and B showed proper growth of root. Also, by the way, the phosphate is important not only for the root but as well for the fruit. We can add it. So if you look here, the proper roots are in plant A and B that contain phosphate, but here lack of. So the root here is not properly grown. And also if you look here for the fruits in plant A, it's okay, grow properly, while it's lack here in the plant C, there is no fruit here. So you can say plants A and B show proper growth of fruit and fruit, okay, while plant C, okay, the lack of phosphate, okay, didn't show proper growth. Okay, if you proceed for the same paper, okay, last question. The plant grown without magnesium has yellow leaves. Yes, you can tell here that the leaves are not as the leaves in the plant A due to the lack of magnesium. As you know, magnesium is very important, especially for the production of chlorophyll. So you can say that the magnesium, okay, makes the chlorophyll. Magnesium must be there. Magnesium is important. Okay, important is important. Okay, for making chlorophyll. And the chlorophyll is the green pigment that makes the plant green. But due to the lack of the magnesium in the plant B, so it will not be able to make the chlorophyll, so the plant will be yellow or show yellow leaves. If you proceed for the last question in this paper, question number 11, page number 15, say that rabbits are herbivores and adapted to survive in their environment. They live in grassy places and make nests in underground tunnels. Point number A. Look at the diagram. The rabbits are able to detect the presence of predators such as fox. Write down one way shown in the picture in which rabbits are good at detecting predators. Of course, from this picture, we can say that if you have a look here, it has a bigger ears, okay, and also the position of the eye is very important for them so they can see properly the predators. So you may see here, if you would like to answer this question, we may say large ears, and it will be correct answer, large, okay, large ears, okay. You can also say large eyes. Both of them will be correct, will be considered correct answers. Number B, rabbits make their nests in underground tunnels. Suggest 2 reasons why. Okay, actually a lot of reasons can be accepted. You can say, for example, they can rear young safely out of the sight, okay, or away from their predators. So you can say they can, you can say here, they can, okay, rear, okay, sorry, rear, they can rear their youngs, okay, safely, yes, okay, safely. Also you can say the young, okay, kept warm, okay. You can also say that seeking shelter, okay, and will be accepted, okay. All of those are considered accepted, valid marking points. You can also say to breed underground.